How do top web agencies manage to juggle multiple WordPress sites? Let me introduce you to the web development company Dirupt. They develop and design websites, deal with web hosting, maintenance, and so much more. As you can imagine, to be successful in this area requires the ability to juggle backups, migrations, and restorations for an untold number of client websites. Dirupt's clients rely on them to create regular backups, ensure smooth migrations, and quick restorations should any issues occur. This means when serving clients, a reliable, fast solution is required, and ideally one without a huge price tag. So Dirupt turned to Duplicator Pro and have never turned back. Dirupt CEO Philippe Duplat stated that before Duplicator Pro, we tried many different solutions, whether it was plugins, PHP models, or on-premise solutions. We were just always disappointed. Using Duplicator Pro, Dirupt is able to set automatic weekly or hourly backups for all of their client sites. It also allows them to create a backup before any updates or major changes, just in case anything goes wrong. The underlying numbers show Dirupt used to be able to restore only 6 out of 10 sites. Now they have a 95% success rate. Along with the scheduled backups, one-click restores and disaster recovery are helping Dirupt achieve a level of success they couldn't have imagined before, with Duplicator Pro as an all-in-one solution. All of the evidence points to Duplicator Pro being an indispensable tool, as Dirupt have experienced dramatic time savings, significantly reduced downtime, faster problem resolution, vastly improved success rates for migrations, backups, and restorations, as well as enhanced client satisfaction. If you want to find out how Duplicator Pro's scheduled backups work, then just click the video on screen right now.